Welcome to Idea Thread Mapper. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a new thread. In Tutorial 1, we learned how to create a new project, but this new project doesn't have any threads yet. In order to create a new thread for this project, take your mouse up to the top toolbar and click on the menu item Thread. Then choose New. And now you're ready on the page for creating a new idea thread. First, let's enter a name in this white search box. For example, let's type in batteries. And then click on the OK button. Okay, so now you notice you have your thread, start of your thread created here, batteries, and you have a bunch of different groups to choose information from, and you can start selecting how you want to refine your information. First, you can choose a date range. The default on this page is from earliest to latest, but if you click in the white box, you'll receive a calendar where you can choose specific dates. If you use the arrows, it'll take you month by month. If you use the double arrows, it'll take you year by year. I'm just going to use the default date range. Next, you can choose one or more groups to get your information from. So these views here, we have electricity, 2 of them. So I'm going to select one, and just like we did in creating a project, you can hit your Shift button on your keyboard and select multiple groups. You also have the ability to search by keyword to refine your search. Since I'm interested in creating a thread about batteries, I'm going to type in batteries into my keyword box. And I can specify even further by saying I want the word batteries to show up either in the title of the note or in the main content of the note. The default is anywhere, and I'm going to choose anywhere for right now. Also, you can have your search be an exact match where the database will find the exact spelling of the keyword that you put in, or if you use the little arrows on the side, can search for a related match so that there be different variations on spelling. And now, once you're satisfied with your search options, you can click on the search button. And you'll notice that I have come up with 76 notes about batteries. And in the search results, you can see the title of the different notes, which group or view that they're from, when it was created, the author or authors of the note, and the first 20 words of the content of the note. If you want to see the full content of the note, you can click on this hyperlink, and then the content of the note will come out. For example, up here, you see the full note. Now I can close this. Notice that we did a related search, and if I scroll through this result list, I have lots of different things that have to do with batteries, but I searched on the keyword batteries, the plural. It also found words that have a singular, battery, and different spellings of batteries. So that related match caught a bunch of different variations. If you think a note should be added to your thread, you can select over on the left-hand side. If you want all, you can click Select All. If you don't want them, you can deselect them all. I'm going to choose a couple and add them to my thread. Now a new thread has come out with the 2 notes that I have selected, and here they come up in a different view. If you're happy with this thread, you can save and close. At the same time, you can also rename this thread if you wanted to change the name from batteries, or you could delete this thread and start over. This is the end of the tutorial about creating a new